What if I told you that right now there are AI tools working 24/7 generating income for people while they sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, it's already happening. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can actually make you money automatically. Whether you're a beginner or an investor looking for new income streams, you're about to see how artificial intelligence is changing the game. So hit that like button, subscribe to Next Fund, and let's dive in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Automation. You can use ChatGPT to build income streams like writing SEO optimized blogs for clients, creating digital products like ebooks, automating customer support for small businesses. With tools like Zapier plus ChatGPT, you can set up automated workflows that run 24/7, literally making money while you sleep. Tool number 2, Pictory or Synthesia. These tools use AI to create professional videos using only text, no camera, no editing. You can start a faceless YouTube channel like this one, or make client videos for businesses and get paid per project. Thousands of creators use these to generate passive ad revenue every single month. Tool number 3, AutoGPT for investing. These are advanced AI systems that analyze stock trends, crypto data, and financial news to help automate investment decisions. Imagine having your own AI financial analyst that never sleeps. That's what these tools do. You can use them to track markets, get insights, or even backtest investment strategies. Tool number 4, Midjourney plus Etsy print on demand. Artists and entrepreneurs are using AI art generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to design t-shirts, wall art, and digital prints, then sell them automatically through Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. You create once, upload once, and the system sells while you sleep. Tool number 5, AI affiliate marketing systems. Platforms like Jasper AI and WriteSonic can write product reviews, blog posts, and landing pages for affiliate products automatically. Combine that with SEO automation tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer, and your content ranks on Google while earning affiliate commissions passively. These AI tools prove one thing: you don't have to trade time for money anymore. With the right setup, AI can generate real income even while you sleep. Comment below, which AI tool are you going to try first? Don't forget to subscribe to Next Fund for more videos on investing, passive income, and financial freedom. Because the future of money is smart, automated, and unstoppable.